And in this video, I'm going to show how you can actually scan for multi-TV channels, how you're going to rescan your master combo decoder to get back some missing channels or new added multi-TV channels on your master combo decoder. So for you to proceed with this kind of search or settings, you're supposed to be having the multi-TV channels running on your decoder, or if you have lost the signal, all you got to do is to add it right TP, which is 12525 vertical 30K, and you check whether you're having a stable signal from the satellite dish before you can proceed to rescan to get back either missing channels or some added channels on your master combo decoder. So you pick up your remote, you press on the menu button on the remote, and from the menu here, use the arrow keys up and down, left and right, just to navigate through the menu, and then you look for installation. So you find installation, you press OK on it, and on the right side of the page you have the DVB-S2, DVB-T2, DVB-C factory reset. So you come to the first option, which is the DVB-S2. The T2 is for the terrestrial settings, that's the digital channel setting. So you come to the S2, you press OK on it. So here you come straight to the antenna option or the antenna setting, you press OK on it, and since you're already having a stable multi-TV channels running, all you have to do is to perform the search without changing any other settings over there. So you place it on some of the running channels over here, and you proceed with the search. So let me select some of the channels running through. So after selecting or placing it on a channel, you press on the menu and you go straight to the installation antenna setting, and the next thing is to perform the search. So if here you are using a different satellite folder, you have different satellite option over here if you want to know the right steps. If you don't have the channels on it, here at the satellite folders, you can select any satellite folder that you want to select. You can also select the multi-TV as a satellite if it's on your FTA decoder. That's the Astra 2A2B 28 degrees. We have Astra 3A over here, so you can select it. And with the TP adding, you can go through the list over here, the TP list, if you're gonna find the 12525 vertical 30K. If it's not in it, you have to add, and with the adding, you need to go back to the transponder list page. You press OK on it, and you press on the add command as they're going to add, and the menu open up. You add the frequency, which is 12525 polarity vertical 30,000 right there. You press OK to save. You highlight it. As you can see, the signal quality is showing green 84%, and if you add a TP, you highlight it, you select it, and there is no signal quality showing, which actually shows that there is no signal coming out of the satellite dish. So all you have to do is to adjust the dish to get your signal. So you place it on antenna settings, you open up the page, and make sure the LMB frequency, every setting over here is the right setting that you want to select on your FTA decoder. And the next thing is to come to the TP, you place it on the right TP, their primary TP, and you come to the start search option. You change the satellite to blind or the super blind option, and you press OK for the search to begin. So all you have to do is to wait for the search to complete for you to get access to either the missing channels or some additional channels that you're gonna get on the multi-TV platform. So that's it. If watching this video is the first time being on this channel, all you got to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking. there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town,